Hello friends, if you are still struggling to add an end screen to your video, don't worry, because in this video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how you can do that. This method is the same for both phones and PC. End screen is one method every content creator used to promote and advertise their previous content on YouTube. It appears towards the end of the video and it suggests a similar video to the viewers. Enough of that explanation, let's dive right in. In this tutorial, I recommend that you turn your phone to desktop mode if you don't have a laptop. So we are going to start with the process of uploading a new video. So once you get to your YouTube, which is the first thing you have to do, you have to go to your YouTube, and on your YouTube you have to come to this create icon. You have it on this position on your PC and you have it at the below here on your phone. So you click on it, so you click on the create icon, and on the drop down you are going to see upload a video. You click on upload a video. It's going to automatically take you to your YouTube studio, and once you get here you click on select files. So I'm going to select the video that I'm going to upload. So the video has been selected. You can see the video is uploading here, so it's about 1 minute video. So you are going to write a title. I'm just going to say how to add an end screen. So once you are done, you are going to come below, add a description to any video you are posting, add a thumbnail. So you are going to place it under a playlist. So you choose a playlist that you are going to post it, and now you click on done. So you are going to scroll below and just do all the necessary settings. You do it the way you usually post your video. So once you are done with all the settings here, so we are going to click on next. So here is where you have to add the end screen. You can see we are done with the details and now we are in the video element. So here we have the add subtitles. We are not going to do that. And here we have add an end screen. So here you are going to click on add. So if you have anyone to import, you can go ahead and just click on import from video. So here we are going to add it afresh. So we are going to click on add. So here we have different templates we can use. If you want to have, this kind of template, you just have to click on this template. On this template, we have two videos to show. One is playlist and the other one is a video. Here we have one video and we have your subscribe button here, which is your image. So we are going to select anyone we prefer. So for me, I usually use this. So I will just click on this. So it has been highlighted. You can see it here. We have two videos. We have playlist here and we have a video here and we have our image, which people can click and just subscribe. So we have the both, the three of them. We have them below here. So here we are going to select the video. We are going to paste on this our end screen. So what we are going to do, so we highlight this. You can see this has been highlighted. So we are going to select the playlist. So we click on it. So which of the playlist are we going to put there? We'll click on the playlist, maybe this. So we have that playlist there already, having two videos. So here we also come to highlight here. It has been highlighted, and you are going to select a video. So we have different kinds of video you can put. We have most recent video. Your most recent video, you can click on it. If you want YouTube to just automatically do it for you, you can allow YouTube to select it for you, which is best for viewer. YouTube can, if you select best for viewer, YouTube is going to help you select one there. So you can choose a specific video. So you can go ahead and just choose a specific video. So I'm just going to choose a specific video. So here I will want the video to be this. And now we have the video there. So now we are going to save. When you are done with everything, you come here and you save. Click on save. And now our end screen has been created. You can see this check mark there means it has been created. So now you can go ahead and learn how to add a card. So maybe on our next tutorial we are going to learn about how we can add a card. So now we click on next, and now it's checking for copyright, and it said no issue found. So meaning the video is clean. So I'm just going to click on next again, and now we can upload our video. If you want to make it private, you can go ahead on listed can go ahead, but I'm going to make it public, then I will publish. So now I can click on close. You can go ahead and share it. This is the link. You can copy the link and share it in any platform. So I'll click on close. Now you can see our video has been uploaded, and we've learned how to add an end screen to the video. So the next is to go ahead and play the video and see. So to play the video, I can go ahead and use here, but I'm just going to go to my main channel, my YouTube channel. I'll click on my icon here and I'll click on your channel. So now you can see it has changed from my YouTube studio to my main YouTube channel. So now you are going to search for the video. So I'm going to come below here, and this is the video, and I'll click on play. So because of time, I'm just going to fast forward the video a little bit. So I'll bring the video here, and now watch how the end screen is going to automatically show the video. So I'll click on play content on YouTube. It appears towards the end of the video, and it suggests a similar video to the viewers. Enough of that explanation. Let's dive right in. In this tutorial, I recommend that you turn your phone to desktop mode if you don't have a laptop. I hope you follow the video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and always add an end screen to your video. So you can see how the end screen show beautifully well. So you can go ahead and click on this to watch, or you can click on this playlist and select any video you want to watch. So now you can click here to subscribe, so you can see it. So this is how to add an end screen to your YouTube video. I hope you follow the video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and always add an end screen to your video. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.